Once upon a time, in the vibrant and magical kingdom of Calypso, nestled in the heart of Jamaica, there lived a brave young woman named Princess Casilda. With her stunning 1800s afro curls bouncing like wild clouds of joy, she wore a delicate gold tiara perched atop her head, accompanied by shimmering gold earrings that twinkled with her every move. While the kingdom adored her, adorned in a flowing white summer dress with short, puffy round frill sleeves that danced with the breeze, Casilda longed for more than the constraints of royal life. She dreamed of adventure, of discovery, and most importantly, love, a love she found in the charming Prince Eddie. One fateful day, as the sun gleamed over the lush landscapes of Calypso, a sinister shadow fell across the kingdom. A wicked wizard named Malika, fueled by jealousy of Prince Eddie's charm and Casilda's beauty, kidnapped the prince, taking him far beyond the enchanted forests of their homeland. When the news reached Casilda, her heart shattered, but within the pieces, a spark ignited, a fierce determination to save her beloved. With the vibrant colors of her kingdom swirling around her, Casilda climbed into her elegantly decorated carriage, adorned with cascading flowers and glimmering jewels. Villagers gathered, sporting their own magnificent afro curls, cheering her on with vibrant chants of courage. Casilda, bravery is our bond. Their belief in her strength fueled her spirit. Together, they understood that her quest was not just for Prince Eddie, but for the very heart of their kingdom. As Casilda journeyed through the enchanted forests, whispers of magic intertwined with the rustling leaves. The air shimmered with possibilities, and each step took her deeper into a realm where reality and fantasy danced hand in hand. She crossed babbling brooks and towering hills, all the while keeping a watchful eye for Malika's minions, discouraging fog creatures that protected the wizard's lair. Before long, she stumbled upon a golden treasure guarded by a ferocious beast, one whose heart had been cursed by Malika's dark magic. Standing firm, Casilda summoned the newfound powers of love and courage within her. "I believe in you," she called to the beast, her voice ringing clear and strong. "You are more than this curse, you are worthy of love." Slowly, a glimmer of humanity shone in the creature's eyes, and it allowed her to pass, blessing her with the strength of its spirit. Upon crossing the bridge of shimmering stars, Casilda soon found herself at the wizard's dark fortress. Determined, she entered through the massive wooden gates, which creaked ominously as if warning her of the dangers within. Her heart raced, but her love for Eddie ignited a blaze of bravery that kept her moving forward. With each corner she turned, the shadows whispered tales of despair, yet she pressed on, reminding herself of the unity she shared with her kingdom. At last, Casilda reached the heart of the wizard's lair, where Malika was hunched over, casting spells with a whirlwind of gold and gems. "Release Eddie," she demanded, her voice unwavering. Malika turned, revealing a face etched with sorrow and rage, his own magic entwined with the pain of a past long buried. "You cannot understand," he shouted, a tempest of emotion brewing within him. But Casilda did understand. She confronted him with compassion, recalling stories of the love and laughter that united their kingdoms. "True strength lies not in power, but in the connections we nurture," she said. The softness in her voice pierced the fog of hatred around Malika. She shared the tale of her love for Eddie, a radiant bond that could not be diminished by dark magic. Slowly, Malika's expression softened, and the shadows in his heart began to lift, revealing a longing for connection that he thought lost forever. With kindness and understanding, Casilda freed Eddie from his spell. And in that moment, the air around them crackled with magic, an energy born not of fear, but of love. The wizard's spell weakened, and the light of harmony flooded their surroundings. Together, Casilda, Eddie, and Malika united their kingdoms against the lingering spell, creating a bond of friendship that transcended their differences. In the days that followed, the people of Calypso celebrated their heroes. Colorful parades filled the streets, laughter danced through the air, and the vibrant rhythms of Calypso music played joyously as they rejoiced in their unity. Through her journey, Princess Casilda learned that true strength lies not in a crown or a throne, but in the love and courage we share with one another. Love knows no bounds, it conquers fear, mends broken hearts, and connects even the most unlikely of allies. And so, in the magical kingdom of Calypso, a beautiful legacy was born, a tale of bravery, unity, and the triumph of love over darkness, forever remembered in the hearts of all who heard it.